All right, so 72z to the 6th over 8z to the 3rd. Yeah, so remember, so just simplify the fraction. All they want you to do is simplify that fraction. What do we do to simplify that fraction? Divide the numbers. You can use calculator if you want to, or divide the numbers, subtract the powers. Exactly right. That goes in there, what, 9 times? And subtract the powers. Done. Yeah, there's 3, right, because there's really 6 z's up there, isn't there? 3, 4, 5. You don't have to write them all out, but you're totally right. That's what's going on. One of these with one of these, one of these with one of these, one of these, one of these. There's 3 left on the top. Yeah, that's why we just subtract. If the bigger number was on the bottom, then after the subtraction, the leftovers would be on the bottom, wouldn't they? Wherever the bigger amount is, so we had the bigger on the top, so this is on the top. It's really over 1. We're not showing that, but it is. Right? Remember all that? That's a trick. Okay, so 2a minus 2 over 2. Got to simplify it, reduce it, kind of thing. Can I cancel those 2's?
No.
Yeah, the whole Costco thing, for those that had me for 201, they're up on this. I might have mentioned it once or twice in here as well. Right? Pluses and minuses glue things together. And that means you can't buy just one. Like shopping at Costco where they package things, or Sam's Club, those warehouse stores where you can't buy just one. You get a cheaper deal by buying in bulk, right? You go to buy milk, they have them plasticed in 2s or 4s or whatever. Or you can't buy just one. You can't do. That's what pluses and minuses are like in algebra. They glue things together. So see how that 2a and that 2 are glued, so to speak. Pluses and minuses. Let me write that. Plus and minus glues things together. So you cancel all of them or none of them. Not just part of them. Yeah. So this is a no. You can't do that. You can't just cancel those 2's like that. That's not right. You cancel all of them or none of them because of the glue. Now, if this was times 2 in the middle here, I could totally just cancel those 2's. That'd be totally great and fine. No problem at all. It is the plus or minus that is the issue. Pluses and minuses, and we're going to get heavy into that in this chapter. I'll say it 50 times between now and the end of this chapter, but this is just the beginning. So again, pluses and minuses, it's all glued together. So what do you do then? Well, there's 2 ways you could do it, whichever you prefer. You could factor the top. You could say, look, take a 2 out on the top. And what does that leave on? Minus 1, that good? And now can you cancel these 2's now? Yes, now it's okay, because that 2's timesed now. He's no longer plused or minused, you see. I'm not breaking a glue bond anymore. This is shopping at Save Mart now. You can buy just one, right? That's okay to do because he's timesed. Do you see that? So that's fine, and that's right, and the answer is a minus 1. Or the other way you could do it, guys, is you could just cancel them both at once. Remember I said it's all or nothing. If you do them all, that's okay too. 2 goes into 2 one time, 2 goes into 2 one time, so you just get a minus 1 as well. Either way, but it's all or nothing. It's not part. They're glued together. You buy the whole package or you buy nothing. Can't take your scissors to Costco, right? Cut it and say, I just want to buy one. They won't let you. You buy all or nothing. So pluses and minuses too.
Or nothing.
Okay, 3x minus 12, 3x plus 12. Try that one. So what do you have to do on that problem?
Well, you need to separate the 3 so you can cancel it.
You got to factor, right? It's 2 factoring problems, basically. So factor the top and factor the bottom. Factor the top and factor the bottom. Because you can't cancel anything right now. Right now they're all glued together. So you can't cancel, but factor the top and factor the bottom. So when you factor that top, Nope, not plus, oh. Good to there so far? Just take out a GCF on that. Take out a GCF. Give you a second. So finish that one up from there. See if you can do that from there. Okay, and then we can cancel these threes, can't we? That's okay too, because they're just timesed again. Things timesed are fine to cancel. It's the pluses or minuses that are the problem. So what does that leave us with then? X minus 4 over x. You don't need the parentheses anymore because there's nothing to separate them from. Right? They were separating the x minus 4 from the 3 in both cases. 3's are gone, so you don't need the parentheses. Now, can I cancel these x's or these 4's? No. Remember, plus and minus is a glue package. Unless you cancel the whole thing, we can't do it. So that's just it right there. There's the answer on that one. Well, I guess we're not going to make it, are we? We still have 8 questions. I thought we could make it really quick, but not quite. All right, so let's stop there. So 4.8, the big bad 4.8, is all that'll be due on Wednesday. Wednesday's practice exam day. So I'll begin by finishing 5.1, which will probably just take 10 minutes, and then we'll take the practice exam, go over the practice exam. That's the plan for